ourselves. So we shear the sheep or the alpaca with big shears. It's just a haircut. It's like a buzz cut. Those of you that have ever had a buzz cut, this is just what it's like. The sheep gets sheared twice a year. The alpaca gets sheared once a year. You know what? All three of these eggs are just as healthy for you. If the chicken is living in a good environment and eating good healthy food, the brown egg is no healthier for you than the white egg or the green egg. It's all about the health of the chicken and the food the chickens eat. The difference is the color of the chicken's earlobes. So that brown chicken right there we go. See if she can get her, put her head up. Whoop, you see those big white things on the side of her head? Those are her earlobes. Anytime you see white earlobes on a chicken, that tells you that chicken's laying a white egg. The chicken with the white feathers, she has red earlobes. Anytime you see a chicken with red earlobes, she's laying an egg with color. Usually brown. Sometimes you'll see the green egg, but usually brown. So red earlobes, brown egg. Okay, does not matter what color their feathers are.
The Washington State Fair Traveling Farm is a recently revamped educational program that has taught kids grades 1 through 3 about food production and farming for nearly 30 years. It engages kids in hands-on learning activities and teaches them how the food that we buy and eat gets from the farm to the kitchen table. A customized 33 by 48 foot trailer drives to schools within 50 miles of the fairgrounds during the school year.
You got soap?